ॐ सहना भवतु।
ॐ सहना भवतु।
सहनौ भुनक्तु।
सहनौ भुनक्तु।
सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै।
सह वीर्यं करवावहै।
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै।
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं
ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं
शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं
शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं
प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत्
प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत्
सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये।
विघ्नोपशान्तये।
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं।
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं।
वरदे कामरूपिणी।
वरदे कामरूपिणी।
विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि।
विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि।
सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
येनाक्षरः समाम्नायम्
येनाक्षरसमाय
अधिगम्य महेश्वरात्।
अधिगम्य महेश्वरात्।
कृष्णं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम्
कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम्
तस्मै पाणिनये नमः।
तस्मै पाणिनये नमः।
अपूहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अपूहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचूयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
रुडोरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋतुरक्षाणां मूर्धा
ऋतुलसानां दन्त्याः
ऋतुलसानां दन्त्याः
उपध्वानीयानाम् औष्ठौ
उपद्मानीयानाम् औष्ठौ
यमगणनानां नासिकाञ्च
यमगणनानां नासिकां च
एदैतौ कण्ठतालु
वेदतो कण्ठतालु
ओदौतौ कण्ठोष्टम्
ओदौ कण्ठोष्टम्
अकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम्
अकारस्य दन्तौष्ठम्
जिह्वामूले यस्य जिह्वामूलम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूलम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
We were on seventh, no? Seventh sentence.
Yes.
So after blaming me, my mother consoled me. So difficult. So Sati Saptami we can use. Seventh.
Or indeclinable.
Yeah, we can say first
Ma'am.
mother is first. So twa we can do. Twa.
Yes.
So this is after blaming me.
Mom ninditva.
Mom, 1 minute.
Mom ninditva. My mother.
Mama. My mother means mata, no, one by one. Matru, mata, mataro, mata. My mother.
Mata. Mata.
Again me, no?
Tant.
Mom.
Mama. Tant.
Mama, mata, mom. Me. Consoled.
Tantavayatvat.
It is, oh no, it is the lung. Lung means a putkar. Sant.
Past participle. Sant.
This one. Asantavat.
So it is best.
Santa. What?
Asantvayat.
Asantvayat. It is given, no? Console. I think here.
Santvayat is somewhere.
Somewhere I have said, not
We
in.
use, yeah. Not here, but somewhere. Santvayat.
It is a 10th conjugation.
Santvayat. We have to do for after.
We have to.
After we have to translate, not needed.
No, this is console me. If you can put here, you know, mama mata, mama mata. When mom will come, but this will come in seventh. Seventh, Sati Saptami, Matari. We can put San, Santvivati. This is, both can be correct. This is easy. We cannot use. This is easy. So Mama Mata.
Asantvayat.
Asantvayat.
Right?
Because we are not going to write any poem or something, you know. When we write a poem, at that time there's Sati Saptami, all is necessary. Correct. Now, Jai Shri then. Right.
while your honor was our king, our happiness always increased. So,
Yadi.
yeah,
Honor.
while yes, your honor is Bhavati,
Hmm?
and while I have used Yavat,
Yeah, Bhavati. Hmm.
Asmakam Ragni,
Bhavati.
our king means Asmakam Ragni or Rajni,
Hmm.
because it will be in seventh singular.
Ragini. Hmm.
Tavat Asmakam Sukham Avardhat.
Yavat.
So Yavat Tavat.
Yavat Tavat. Again Asmakam, no?
Asmakam Sukham Avardhat.
Always, Sada.
Your Bhavati. Yes.
Always, no? Sada.
Sadaiva.
Sada.
Asmakam Sukham Sadaiva Vardha. Sadaiva, can we use Sada or Sadaiva?
Sada. Ev means infinitely.
Okay. So only Sada.
Hmm. भवति यावत् अस्माकं राज्ञी तावत् अस्माकं सुखं सदा अवर्धयत्. Mukesh bhai. Ninth. Good.
Yes. We all fell asleep while the teachers spoke. We all.
I can put we. Vayam.
We
Vayam.
Hmm.
sleep.
Suktavantah. Vayam Sarvaha.
Vayam.
All means Sarvaha.
So while the teacher spoke, we all fell asleep. So actually this one should come, no?
The teach. So first action is we all fell asleep.
No.
No, first
The
while the
teacher
teacher
spoke.
spoke.
Teacher speak, then only we can go to sleep. Not the first section is teacher has to speak.
Yes.
So teacher is a guru.
Yes. Acharya.
Acharya Vand Vasavat. Vasyavat.
आचार्यः अभाषयत्
Because past tense of Vasat. Vayam Sarva Suktavant.
सुप्तवन्तः.
Suktavant.
Ma, we can use Sati Saptami.
Yeah, here we can use. So here Acharya.
Acharye Uktavati.
Hmm.
Acharye Uktavati. Vayam Sarvaha Suktavantah. Or Bhashite.
भाषमाणे.
Bhashyamane.
Actually भाषमान, no? भाषमान, because of this sha, na become na.
Bhashman. Bhashman.
Bhasha.
So Acharya.
Acharya भाषमाणे sati. Sati need not to put for our understanding. Vayam sarve suktavantah. Anybody has felt like this in their in your students' time?
No.
Okay.
So Ma, can we use Uktavati also?
Uktavati.
Same, no? Ukta.
Yeah, same. Because Ukta and then Vati, yeah.
Uktavat will be again in seventh case Uktavati.
Vati, yeah.
Okay.
Is it okay? Can I remove this? This Acharya abhashat is also fine, huh? No problem.
आचार्य भाष्यवत् वयं सर्वस्व
Abhashat.
If we don't know how to use participles,
Yeah,
we can
simple,
make
yeah,
simple
simple.
sentence.
Yeah, simple sentence, yeah. Shital.
If a lion is stronger than jackal,
Mm.
if yavat we can use if
Yadi?
Yadi.
Yadi.
yadi okay
Yadi.
yadi
Mm.
simha
Yadi.
balvattara
Yadi. Simhaha, no?
first no simha
Conquers.
Yadi. Simhaha.
Yes.
Suppose if you put Simhaha, this is stronger than. We have to check that then, no?
Panchami.
Simhat, no?
Dative.
Means Rugalat.
Srugalat. Srugalat.
yes simha srugalat balvattara
Baliyasaha is also given somewhere.
It's given here. Balabat.
No, when we studied comparative.
Comparative, okay. Baliyasah or Balavattarah, no?
Both we can use either.
but yes sir
Taraha. Then Tvam.
Tvam vanquish means parajayate. Tvam
You should know
satru or
which will we have to?
huh?
We have to, no, present participle, sorry, this one. You should know, means which will potential or imperative.
Imperative, no?
Imperative, yeah.
Then Tvam. Even if.
Tvam
Hmm.
parajasva. नहीं
Wait.
Parajay.
Parajayatha. Parajayasva.
स्व आत्मनिपदे no?
Okay, is Atmanepada, yeah.
Om Sat.
Yeah, Swa.
स्व हाँ.
I am just writing Parajayasva. Tvam Parajayasva. Tava.
हम तव शत्रु और अरिम
Arin. Arin.
Tava Shatru. Enemy. Shatrum or collective plural. Arim.
Collective.
Arim. Certainly. Definitely.
Nisam. Sayam.
Nisanshayam. They have given?
Nisam. Yeah, it is given in vocabulary.
Nisanshayam. So now you can put Yadi Simhaha Shrugalat Baliyasah or Balvattaraha Tvam Nisanshayam Tava Shatrum Parajayasva. Parajas will come last. Deepak Bhai.
Dear friends, look at me and have pity on
Yeah.
me. Hello,
Dear friend.
Mitrani,
Friends.
dear Mitrani, look at me. Get me the mom.
Mam Pashya.
on me એટલે મયી.
Mam drashtva, no? Mam,
અપશ્યત.
no, why? Look, no? Simple look is there.
Because it is
Okay.
imperative only, no? We
Yeah.
can use imperative.
Mam pashyat.
પશ્યત.
Ma'am, because it is addressed to many friends,
Hmm.
so can we use pashyadvam? Ma'am pashyadvam or ma'am pashya?
Look at me.
Look at me.
So because it is addressed to all friends.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Dear friends. So
Yeah. Ma pashyadvam.
pashyadvam or pashya?
Pashyata.
Look at me.
Actually, ma drashtva. Having looked at me, no?
Look at me. Subject is a me, ne?
Hmm.
No, subject is not me. Mitrani only subject.
Acha,
I am as a object. Look at me, no? Sometimes.
Yes.
Okay.
But Mitrani, yeah, but Pashyat or Mam Drashtva also we can see.
Yeah.
Mam Drashtva.
Ma'am drashtva.
Having seen, look at me, no? Please, having look at me and keep some pity on, have a pity on me.
Have pity on
And pasyat means the is full or
Ta full, full ta.
the full, yeah. Because it will be
yeah.
Ta is
imperative.
મયી દયામ.
Mai dayam kuru, huh?
Hmm.
Mai
દયામ.
My
dayam kuruta. Kuru. They have given something.
krupa or daya.
Hmm. Dayam. Same thing, kuruta, no? If we are saying
Kuruta.
huh.
Yeah.
So we can use this Priya Mitrani, Mam Drashtva, Mayim Dayam Kuruta, having look at me, no? Looking at me. Drashtva means, please look at me. Mam Pashyat. Mam Drashtva is looking more, little bit better, but Pashyata is not, is correct only.
This is a purpose.
So without using participle, we can use also simple sentence. Yeah.
Yes.
Now your turn, Jai Shri Ben. Long.
When the two black horses have drunk water and eaten grass, the cows should be brought in.
This is
I have done like, yeah.
this is typical English people, no? We give first respect to cow.
Shyamayoho ashvayoho pitavatoho.
1 minute. Shyamayoho or Krishna Varna. Shyamayoho.
Krishna Varna also we can write, no? Krishna Varna.
Varnayoho. Sham, like Sham.
Yes. Krishna
Ashvayoho.
Varna. Yes.
Ashvayoho. Pitavatoho. No, then
Pitavatoho.
Jalam.
Jalam pitavatoho.
Pitavatoho.
Is Dvivachan will sufficient or we have to add Dvi for the
No, this
No,
Yes,
because
so-
Shamayoho and Ashvayoho itself they are for Dvivachan only.
this is for the Dvivachan, but for the two we can add
No need to. No need to say two. If we want to use, it's okay, no?
we have, this is also 7/2, no?
Yes. So no need to say two.
No, need to say two.
Dviyasvayoho.
This two is here used to for our understanding.
Because we can mention Shyamayoho or
Yes.
Krishna Varnayoho, whatever.
Yes.
pitavatoho and drunk water.
Chatrunam
Hmm.
Vakshitavatoho.
Trunam cha
Vakshitavatoho.
akshitavatoho. Pachi. Then the cow brought it.
Denuhu.
Hmm.
Denuhu.
Denavaha, no?
Anayeyuhu.
Denavaha, no? Plural.
Then 1 by 3, no?
1 by 3 means
1 by
Denavaha. Denavaha.
Then
Not 2 by 3. Yes.
No, Denavaha should be brought in. Denavaha now it is now 1 by 3.
Okay.
Hmm.
Denavaha.
Anita. 1 3.
I read Anayeyuhu.
Aniya you. Yeah.
Protein. This is for cows.
Should be. Aniya. Which you have? This one?
Initiative.
Anayeyuhu I used.
This one, no? What I have? This one.
Yes, yes, potential. Third person plural.
Okay.
it is passive.
Anayantu also we can use, no? ma'am?
Passive, no?
Anayantu.
By someone, yeah. It is a passive. Should be brought by someone, no? They have not.
And Anayaran or Anayantam.
Aniyantam.
Aniyantam.
If we again see this Aniyanta. So actually ni been being
Yes.
passive
Ah,
Sakara and then tam.
yeah.
Hmm.
Yes.
Aniyantam. Denavaha Aniyanta.
Aniyantam.
Means which we have done.
This is
Aniyantam. So
Aniyanta.
imperative,
Imperative, no?
third person
Imperative,
plural.
yeah, is a lot. Means imperative.
Imperative, huh.
Should I erase? No. Mukesh
Yes, Babe was carried away by thieves.
By the thieves.
Yeah, true. Thieves. So, baby, Sisu carried away. Staneihi,
Stenehi.
Sisu
By the
carried away.
Stenehi, no?
Stenehi.
Sisu carried away.
It's the baby.
Become.
Means Shishum. Shishum carried away. Riyamana.
Riyaman. Riyamanehi.
Riyamane. Tati. Otherwise, no? Uhyamana.
Riyaman also we can use them because that.
Uyama.
Uhyaman, no?
Because it yes, because we had used it. Kinkar and Uhyamane, one example was there.
overcome by sorrow. Shokena, dukkena, abhibhuta.
Dukkena Mata.
Hmm. Mata dukhena abhibhutavati. Chabhumo patitavati.
Mata
Bhumo.
shokena, shokena,
Hmm.
abhibhuta.
Shokena.
Shokena, abhibhuta. If you want to put verb there, abhi, what you have said?
I wrote abhibhutavati
Abhibhutavati.
because it will be in seventh case. Abhibhutavati. No, abhibhutavati is a nominative singular for
So
like
Mata,
Nadi.
yeah, Mata is one by one. Abhibhuta, because Mata is feminine, no? So Abhibhuta is also one by one, like Sita Shabdavat. Abhibhuta
Hmm.
is a participle. So Mata Shokena Abhibhuta. And Bhumo Apatat. No?
Okay.
On the
So we cannot use abhibhutavati, no ma?
Abhibhuta,
Then it is
you have to, that Matari, you can also, you have to put both, yeah. Otherwise, you cannot use only one word.
Hmm.
Mo apatat.
This
Bhumo
is simple past tense we can work.
Yeah, bhumo apatat.
Pratisaptami.
Hmm.
No, bhumo apatat, no?
Patat.
No, that is simple one, no?
Hmm. But here, Mara,
take
also,
on the
you want to put here?
Patita also we can use ma. If we use abhibhuta,
Hmm?
then we can use patita.
Patita we can use, yeah.
Pratisaptami.
But here you riyamana, if you want to put simple past tense, then
Hmm.
what is carried away? Verb of this carried away?
Shishu.
No, no. In Sanskritam, what we call carried away by verb?
Riyate.
So,
Riyate.
Riyate, no?
Riyate.
Re means
Ah.
dirgha then.
Yes.
Hmm. Vahati. Uhyaman means vaha.
Yes, it was there.
Vaha
Becomes
means one means to carried. Yeah. Okay. Then uhya.
Riya is like
take away.
to yes, take away or
Yeah,
The
Riyate
meaning
is
is that
better.
only the baby has been taken away. Get
Yeah,
away is not
Riyamana is better, no?
it's by force.
So
Better, yeah.
Riyamana is better. Because Uhyaman means Vaha means to carry like a kuli. Yoga
Yeah.
Vahamyaham. So this Uhyamane, Riyamane. Riyate is better or Riyamane. So stene shishum Riyate Mata Riyamane Mata Shokena Abhibhuta Bhumo cha Apatat. Is not choice not given, no? And is not given.
Overcome.
no, choice is not given.
No, choice not given. Bhumo Apatat. Where is last? Although his daughter had fallen into danger, the rogue did not stir from the house.
there's no genitive, absolute.
What
Okay,
is
Sati Saptami.
Yavat.
No, genitive. Something bad comes, we have to use that, no?
yeah.
appeal
one
in some
sentence we had, yeah, although.
Genitive absolute
One sentence
present
will
tense equivalent to the concessive clause implying the disregard, contempt, then genitive may be good. His father, पितुः पश्यतः अपि बालः कनयासं so yeah, we can use yeah. यद्यपि यद्यपि शीता
यद्यपि हाँ यद्यपि although और हाँ यद्यपि
his daughter
दुहितृ
दुहिता
हाँ
तस्य दुहिता.
दुहिता
Kari Rita his means
तस्य.
tasya. For our understanding, tasya duhita will come in which case?
six no
Then what is the sixth? Duhitarah
दुहितायाः.
दुहितुः
दुहितृ.
duhitru no so matuhu like matuhu duhituhu
दुहितुः
duhituhu
Ru
patitva
into danger. So can it be in seventh case, no?
fallen into danger
Vipadi.
into danger.
in pati patita fallen or
Patita vipati
Vipadi patita.
vipati is a rasvana there vipati then patitavati what is patitavati
Patitavati. Or pati.
like Sita we have to do
yeah like patitavat no we have to do like diman dimato what is the feminine of diman dimati nadivat
Dhimati. Yes, Dhimati.
yeah
so tyam nadyam then
Vipadi patita.
tyam
Patitavat.
patitavatyam
yeah patitavatyam
पतितवत्यां यद्यपि तस्य दिहुतिः विपति पतितवत्यां शठः न
सत और
Dhurtaha.
धूर्त
धूर्तः
धूर्तः
धूर्तः न चलितवान् गृहात्
गृहात् न चलितवान्
चलितवान् if you want to be simple न
न charati. Acharat.
न अचलत् न अचलत् there are many of star यद्यपि तस्य दुहितः आपदि there is a one more word विपदः सन्तु न सत्
आपत्ति
आपदि
Yes.
आपदि
Yes.
पतितवत्यां
Apati is good.
आपद only प्रातिपदिक is आपद और आपत पतितवत्यां शठः और धूर्तः गृहात् न चलितवान् न अचलत् Or you have to put everything in seventh, So you can put also duhitri vipati patitavatyam satyam. We can put also sati saptami, no problem. Both you can use. So one more
Yes.
is over. Now 25th. Infinitive in tumun, it's called tumun. Like having this. They say it is called subordinate clause, helping subordinate clause. The infinitive is formed by adding tum. Bhavitum arhasi, kartum arhasi, this atum pratyaya. This tum to the root after gunating. Means you know what is gunating? It is called namadhatu. So G, so we have to, it is in first conjugation, no? So it goes guna, it becomes J. They have put as a gunating.
What is gunating?
Look, gunating.
Guna, heading, guna.
It is called namadhatu. I think it won't come here, but sometime, we make a noun and same noun we make as a verb. In English, sometime also we are working, no? Driver, something. Now it was there, but Nam Dhatu is very famous in Sanskrit. It's called Nam
Yes,
Dhatu.
yes.
So Dhatu is verb. So name convert into Dhatu. So this is Guna. So they have done in English. So gunating a short medial vowel like G and a final vowel. We know in first conjugation rule. So gum becomes gantum, G become jetum. Sometimes many verbs insert E before tumun. So bhu bhavitum. In Panini, it is called it agamanam, idagamanam. Ta will go, only E will be added. There are rules, but they are telling here. Verbs of the 10th conjugation keep their present base and insert E. So chur, so verbal base becomes choraya. So we know chur, we have to add I and then a, if you remember. So this becomes, causes guna, same choraya. Then tumun is added. Actually, tumun is there. The un will go according to Panini. Then E will come here, become chorayitum. Sometimes we say that the thief enters for stealing, to steal. Choritum icchan stenaha gruham pravishya. We have to do like this. So choritum. Same way they have given here. Many verbs form their infinitive irregularly. See verbs and participle. See verbs and their participle part. So in last, in tone, say whole is there. If I show here, because it is about to over.
Page 129. 125.
This is all. Where is Anton? So what is the use of participle now? This tumun, infinitive, sorry, not participle, but the use of the infinitive. The infinitive is used to express the purpose of an action. So they have given, he came to acquire knowledge. So he came sah agatah. For which purpose? Vidyam adhigantum. So it is adhigantum. Tumun is added. The infinitive is used with adjectives meaning fit, able. In second chapter, no, many times Bhagwan has said in Gita, na kartum arhasi, if you remember. And the verbs meaning to wish, to begin, and to be able. So arhasi, na kartum arhati, he was na shochitum arhasi, no? Many times Bhagwan has used. So to fit and able, deserved. Fit means deserved. Same way able, and the verb meaning it to wish, to begin, and to able. Now they have given, I am unable to drink. So aham asamartha. For what? To drink. So jhet patum. To drink, called patum. So this is called able. For able, they have patum. Now for wish, he wishes to hear the song. So he wishes the song. So saha ichhati geetam, but shrotum. Saha shrotum ichhati. Geetam ichhati. So he began to run. Huh? Same way he began to run. Dhavitum arabhata. Now what I was talking is come. Arhasi. The infinitive is used with the verb arha, means to deserve, in the sense of the polite request. You should protect me. Mom, rakshitum arhasi. The infinitive has no passive form because two we always. So when the passive is to be expressed, the verb accompanying the infinitive is put into the passive. So they say, I begin to see the trees. So to see, drashtum. So what they will do? Maya, what is the I means by me? Begin means arabate. Trees means vrukshan. So if we have convert, so vrukshaha, no? Vrukshaha maya. Now a plus rab, ya and ante, arabhyante. This is no change in both. Drashtum.
Drashtum will remain the same.
Yeah. Here also Vrukshan Drashtum Arabe. Arabe means Aham Arabe. Maya Vrukshaha Drashtum Arabhyante. Drashtum no change. Now there another subordinate clause. Subordinate. The noun clause. A noun clause introduced by the conjunction, what we call as a that, is rendered into Sanskrit by a double accusative. He thinks that Rama is a hero. So he thinks Rama to be hero. We have seen, if you remember, as a supplement, what is subjective complement? Complement. So Ramam Viram Chintayanti. So this is simple, but a noun clause introduced by a conjunctive pronoun is equivalent to an adjective clause. So what he says is true. Yad vadati tat satyam. So that which he says is true. That it is too long in English. Yad vadati tat satyam. So yat. So indirect speech does not exist in Sanskrit and must always be turned into direct speech. The end of the direct speech is marked by the word that iti, no? That's why I used to say iti, always say it is into inverted comma.
Inverted comma.
So he told me that he had conquered the enemies. So he told me it is but we have to convert into direct. I have conquered the enemies. So he told me. So this is aham shatru jitavan iti saha avadat. So suppose this is he told me he had conquered the enemies. So it is totally indirect. So first they have convert. I have conquered the enemies. So aham, areen or shatrun. Or if we have to put simple, then what will come? Ajit, Ajayat. No,
Jita,
no, no, tataman. What? That this simple. I would like to put this
Ajita.
ajitam. G is rasva, no? Ajitam. Iti saha avadat. And we have to put jitavan otherwise. Aham jitavan, areen. But iti, it means we have to understand something is in inverted comma. This is the usage of iti.
Convert into the
No, relative pronoun, no, relative. Yet, the adjective clause. The adjective clause is introduced by a relative pronoun. Relative, yat tat, like this. the case of the relative pronoun depends on its own grammatical function in the adjective clause. The number and the gender of the relative pronoun depend on the number and gender of its own antecedent. So, yah Ramaha, no? Saha, like that, yah Saha. So, they have given the man to whom the book was given has gone away from the house. So, was given. So, they have given adjective clause, they have given as a to whom the book was given is called adjective clause. So, to whom is a dative case governed by the verb was given. Because we have seen that it is a dvikarmaka. So, yasmai pustakam dattam. So, yasmai naraya pustakam dattam. So, because it is an antecedent, the man is in the masculine singular. So, naraya is a 1 by 4, 4 by 1. Yasmai is 4 by 1. But they have given, there are many, even we can yaha, saha, ya, sa,
Sa.
yat,
Yat tat.
tat.
Hmm.
So all then we feel 2 by 1, 3 by 1, this also same thing. Yasmai naraya pustakam dattam, saha means saha means that person, gruhat gataha, he has gone away from the house. Only this much they have given. I don't have much example. I will try to find out this yasmai tasmai. There are many shlokas are also available.
No, I guess in that Agnihotra, when we perform some words like yasmai, we have seen.
Yasmai tasmai.
Before Agnihotra, we
Oh, but
use
in
that higher.
Bhajagovindam also there are many. Bhajagovindam. That no whole Bhajagovindam. I will try to. Now they have given now numerals. Only first 4 means 1 to 4. Numerals are declined in the 3 gender. So after 5th, all gender are same. So they are same. Only the first 4 numerals are declined in the 3 genders. So suppose eka. So masculine, feminine, neuter. So they have given ekaha, like Rama Shabdavat, Sita Shabdavat,
Ekau.
eke ekaha, Ramam Ramo Rama,
Eka.
ekam eko ekam, ekena ekasmai, now ekasmai, ekasmat, ekasya, ekasmin. Same way here feminine also Sita, eka, Sitam, Sitaya, ekasye, Sitaye. Now it is pronoun like ekasyaha, ekasyaha, ekasyam. And ekam, the rest is like masculine.
Masculine.
And interesting, this two, this dvi is only in dual. It is not 1 and 2, no? So it's only dual.
Yes. Two together always.
So yeah, dvau, when dvabhyam, dvayoho. So feminine also dve, dve, neuter here also dve, huh? Dve, dve. In Dvabhyam, everything is,
Yeah, but neuter it is what?
huh?
Nominative the only?
Dva only. Only one.
Only the.
Huh?
Okay.
Because two, no?
Only the. Okay.
Huh.
Dvo, dve, the.
No, because two only. We can't say dua one.
Mm.
And no plural also because two. Same way they will say.
That nominative line, neuter, what they have written, only dva or dve it is.
Dve, dve. It is one is missing here.
Dve.
Dve.
Dve, no? Bas.
Dve.
Okay.
Same way three will only plural.
Plural.
Suppose these three, so in masculine trayaha, tisraha. For feminine, trini
Three.
Trini.
in neuter. And if you take this masculine, trin, tribihi, tribhyaha, tribhyaha, trayanam, trishu. Trishu lokeshu kinchana. Bhagavan is saying. Same in feminine, tisraha, tisraha, tisrubihi, trisrubihi, tisrubhyaha. Both have dative and ablative tisrubhyaha, genitive trisrunam, trisrushu. And this our neuter trini trini and rest is like this.
Trivihi, Trivyaha.
Same with chatur.
Bharat.
This is chatur. Plural will be chatvarah. Chaturah, chaturbihi, chaturbhyah, chatubhyah, chaturanam, chatushu. You know turiya, there is a one word turiya. In Mandukya, turiya.
Vidya, Vidya.
No turiya. Chaturtham manyante turiya. You have heard that the turiya avastha, people are called turiya avastha. Because Jagrat avastha, Swapna avastha, and Sushupti avastha. Then Turiya avastha. People used to say Turiya. Ek avastha is not that, but how this Turiya will come in Chatur, Cha will go. And Tur will be there, and one Pratyaya is added, it becomes Turiya. Because fourth one, no?
Chaturtha. Chaturya.
So up to here, this is feminine, masculine, and neuter. There is a no. They will go. So this is 25th is also
Panchama.
9-8. So it's 9-8. We will see next time. 24. So exercise 25. Samarthaha, asamarthaha. Okay? You try.
Mm.
So shall we take Purnamada? Om Purnamada Purnamida
Purnamidam Purnat
Purnamudachyate Purnasya
Purnamādāya Purnamevāvashishyate
Om
Shanti
Shanti Hari Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha
Hari Om